Topic: the passive voice is always flexibly used a lot in everyday situations. Let's watch the video to learn how to use the passive voice in sentences. The stolen sculpture. Excuse me, may I ask you something? Sure, ma'am. Do you know where the sculpture of the ballet dancer is? Do you mean the one that was brought here last month? Yes. I heard the sculpture will be auctioned this week. Unfortunately, it was stolen. Really? When was it stolen? A few days ago. Oh no. I really like that sculpture. Yeah, such a pity. That sculpture has been getting a lot of attention lately. Any news about it yet? No. The police are still investigating. Hopefully they will have the results soon. So, will the auction still be held this weekend? Yes, we still have many other items for the auction. Do you think police can find the sculpture? I heard they found some traces of the thieves, so maybe. I hope they can. I like that sculpture the most. There's also another sculpture of the same author here. Would you like to have a look? Really? Of course. So please follow me. Hi, ma'am. Welcome to the auction today. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. We have good news. The ballet dancer sculpture was found yesterday. Such great news. Thanks for telling me. Were the thieves caught? Yes, they were. They sold the sculpture to an antique shop. Wow, I'm so happy. I will get it by any means. Have a great day. Please follow the instruction to get to the auction room. Thanks, and you have a nice day too. Love confession. Hey Linda, have you heard the news? Huh? What's up? The whole school already knew, but still you have no idea? Come on, what's up? Mary was confessed to by Dan yesterday. What? Mary? Yes, Mary. Surprise? I thought Dan liked Julia, no? Why did he confess to Mary? Right, but I think they're just close friends. So, how was she confessed? I was told that last night at Julia's party, Mary was suddenly given flour by Dan, and then he confessed in front of many people. Wow, that's really unexpected. Yeah, Mary is always quite tender and quiet. I didn't expect Dan to like her. Well, opposites attract, so Mary said yes, didn't she? People said she was surprised and emotional, and it took a while to agree. When did they start to have a crush on each other? I have no idea. Did you see them being together often? I saw them sometimes, but I think that was when they were in the same project team. I saw them many times too, but you know, in my mind, Dan and Julia are a couple, so I didn't care that much. Oh, so they're a couple now. Yeah, there must be a bunch of girls getting jealous of Mary. Including you? Of course not. Dan is not my type. Fine, but imagine Dan was rejected. Would it be funny? Well, they must have feelings for each other for a long time, so he might be sure Mary would say yes. Yeah, anyway, who's gonna reject Dan's confession? It's me. You're weird, don't count. Anyway, can you give me a ride home? Sure. Where's your car? It was broken. Have you got it fixed? It was brought to the automotive repair shop yesterday. Hopefully it will be fixed later today. Okay, let's go. Dog wants to be petted. Laura, come in. What is the surprise you told me on the phone? Just come in and see. Oh my gosh, he's so cute! Where did you get him? He was given to me as a birthday gift. From your dad? Yes, he won't be able to be with me on my birthday, so he said he wanted to give me a new friend. What's the dog's name? He is named Luffy. Oh, is it itchy or something? It keeps rubbing its head on my leg. Whenever he wants to be caressed, he will rub his head on people's leg. Oh, really? So cute. How old is he? He is 2 months old. Have you ever had a dog before? I was given a poodle. Has Luffy got used to his new home yet? He gets used to it very quickly. When he first arrived, he was still shaking a bit. And an hour later, he was already running around the house. Nice! What do you feed him? I'm not sure what he was fed before, but now I feed him cooked meat, cooked vegetables, and fruit, sometimes starch. So, how is your life after having a new friend, huh? It has been great so far since he is a good boy. How often do you take him for a walk? Except for the rainy days, I take him around every day. Amused by the dirty face. You're here. Come in, Jack. Hey, where's Lily? She went to wash her face. What's wrong? Before you arrived, she was preparing the dough and her face got dirty. What's wrong with you? Why do you keep holding your stomach? Oh, I laughed too much. Laugh? Yeah, I'm amused by that dirty face and I can't stop laughing. Is it that funny? Yeah, I took a picture. Here, look. Her whole face was covered with flour. How could she do that? She tripped and fell. Her face was down into the flour. Is she okay? Yeah, she's okay. You're here, Jack. Have you washed your face cleanly, Lily? Rose talked bad about me behind my back, right? I'm just telling the truth. What are you going to do with the flour, Lily? I just learned a new cheese bread recipe. I want to try. How long does it take to bake a cake? I've never done it. Depends on the type, but according to this recipe, the cake should be baked for about 30 minutes. Can I try to do the same? Of course.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.